In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs on a mobile device step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident creating, formatting, and customizing documents right from your phone. First, install the app, head to your device's app store, search for Google Docs, and download it. A quick tip, make sure you've got a stable internet connection for the initial download so everything installs smoothly. Once it's ready, you'll see the Google Docs icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, open the app, tap the icon to launch Google Docs. If it's your first time, the app may show a brief intro or ask for a couple of permissions. Just follow the on-screen prompts so it's set up the way you like. To create a document, tap the plus icon. From here, you can choose a blank document if you want to start fresh, or pick a template if you need a head start with a format like a report or a resume. Templates can save you time by handling the structure for you. Now start typing. Tap anywhere in the document to place your cursor, and your keyboard will appear. Type your text as you normally would. If you make a mistake, the undo and redo buttons at the top are your best friends. When you're ready to format, select the text you want to change, then tap the formatting icon, the one that looks like an A. Here you can apply bold or italics, switch fonts, adjust the size, and even change text color or highlight. Consider using headings for titles and sections to keep your document organized and easy to navigate. To insert items, tap the plus icon again. Choose images to add a photo from your device or camera, tables to structure information, or links to point readers to websites. Each item drops right into your document where your cursor is placed. If you add an image, you can edit it by tapping the image itself. Use the on-screen options to resize it or adjust its placement so it sits neatly with your text. For tables, choose how many rows and columns you need and then fill in the cells. You can tap inside any cell to type and use the options that appear to adjust the table's layout as your content grows. Finally, customize your layout. Adjust alignment to left, center, or right, tweak line spacing for readability, and use indentation and spacing settings to create clean sections and lists. A quick tip before we wrap up, your work saves automatically so you don't have to worry about hitting a save button. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.